If you are procrastinating right now, stop thinking. This is not about motivation. This is not about discipline. This is a 10-second execution trigger designed to bypass hesitation and force task start. No feelings, no analysis, only protocol. Execute with me. Procrastination is not laziness. It is a delay loop between intention and action. Your brain is waiting for a better mood, more certainty, more energy, more readiness. That readiness does not arrive on command, so we don't wait. We interrupt the loop with a trigger. Think of it like flipping a switch from mental standby to operational mode. One rule before we begin: you must perform the steps physically, not mentally, not silently, out loud and in motion. If you do it only in your head, it fails. Step 1. Posture lock. Sit up right now. Feet flat on the ground, hands visible and ready. No relaxed positions allowed. Posture tells your nervous system the action phase has started. Step 2. Target contact. Physically touch the task. Open the document. Touch the notebook. Put your hand on the keyboard. Hover the cursor over the file. Make physical contact. This removes distance between you and execution. Step 3. Breath reset. 1 sharp inhale through the nose. Hold 1 second. Force exhale through the mouth. Short, mechanical, controlled. This creates a state break. Step 4. Countdown command. Say it out loud, like an order, not a suggestion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. Step 5. Forced microaction. Immediately perform the smallest visible unit of the task. Write 1 sentence. Create the file. Type the title. Read 1 line. Start the timer. Do 1 repetition. Minimum action only. Quality does not matter. The mission is start, not finish. Most people fail right here. They start, then evaluate. They judge, then slow down. They think, then stop. That is not allowed. For the first 60 seconds, no judging, no optimizing, no planning. Only mechanical continuation. Execution without evaluation. Understand this principle. In real operations, action beats perfection. Movement creates clarity. Delay creates doubt. Your brain corrects direction after motion begins, not before. Motion first, thinking later. If resistance returns, repeat the trigger, but never repeat the countdown without movement. Trigger, then move. Trigger, then move. No stacked countdowns. No empty resets. Motivation is unreliable. Mood is unstable. Protocols are executable. You do not wait to feel ready. You trigger, then you move. Execute now. Run the trigger at least once today on a task you've been delaying. No theory, only action. If the protocol works, report the result in the comments tomorrow. Field data matters more than intention.